Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips with free Udemy coupon IDs, courses of different premium courses in Udemy. So you will get lots of things in our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe our channel. And in today's video, I will discuss about TCS Ninja, which is again recruiting for the 2022 batch. It's a TCS recruiting solely TCS recruitment process. Okay, so I have already discussed in previous videos that TCS NQT was going for August and September and August and November batch. Okay, so those who can take the TCS NQT in the February or in the month of May, those can again take their NQT examination in August and November if the score is low. But for this video I'm discussing about TCS Ninja. Okay, so which is slightly different from TCS NQT. So through TCS Ninja they are hiring for the freshers batch, for the 2022 batch who will be graduated in 2022. So BE BTech ME MTech batch can apply, and I will discuss in detail. I will clear all the doubts in this video. I will discuss the frequently asked question as well as the registration process. All details you will get in this video. So stay tuned with me and jump into step by step process of this recruitment. Okay, so this TCS Ninja hiring is for year of passing 2022. The name of the exam is TCS Ninja hiring 2021. Degree required is BE BTech ME MTech MCA MSc can apply. Batch eligible is 2022 batch, and work location will be across India. So all over India you will get your work location. So the last date of application submit is 15th of August. So nearly 1 month time in your hand for the registration and for the application of that registration. So the test will start from 30th August onwards. So it's different from TCS NQT variant exam. Okay, I am repeating once again. So they are inviting to take your first step to complete the growth and transformation pursuit in TCS. So all the things you will get here. The eligibility criteria is they are hiring for BE BTech ME MTech MCA MSc batch, which for which the year of passing is 2022. The test eligibility mainly percentage, you have to have minimum percentage 60% or 6 CGPA in your class 10th, 12th as well as diploma if applicable. Otherwise graduation and post graduation examination. And in case of backlog or area, students should not have more than one active backlog or area at the time of appearing the TCS selection process in the highest qualification. If selected, students should not have any pending backlog or area at the time of joining. Okay, so before joining, if you have one backlog, you can clear your backlog in that year and you can join TCS. Okay, if you selected. And the gap they are expecting or they are just releasing, it is mandatory to declare gaps in education. If any break in education should not be due to extended education. So any break in education should not exceeded 24 months and is permissible only for valid reasons. Relevant document proof as applicable will be checked for the gaps in education. Okay, so the course type, mainly the full-time courses will be considered. Part-time and correspondence course will not be considered. And the work experience, one can suggest that students with prior work experience up to 2 years are eligible for this TCS Ninja hiring process. Age should be 18 to 28 years to participate in this TCS Ninja hiring. So there are lots of criteria I am discussing. Please listen it very carefully, and you can share your doubts in my comment section, because in lots of videos, in my previous videos, I have already solved different doubts and helped lots of students. You can check my profile in this YouTube channel also. And courses and discipline, they are mainly targeting the undergraduate, postgraduate engineering batches as well as the MCA and MSc batches with any specialization offered by university. Okay, so the login step is TCS Next Step portal. You have to log on there. You have to register and apply for the TCS Ninja hiring process. So some scenario is there. So if you are a registered user, you need to do login and proceed to complete the application form and upon submission kindly click on the apply for drive. Okay, so if you don't click on apply for drive, then for the TCS Ninja heading you can't apply. Okay, if the date goes over and then you try for search the apply for drive option, then it will not come. Okay, so you can check the doubts regarding apply for drive in TCS Ninja process in my profile of YouTube. I will share that video link in my description box, you can check it, and also I will give it in I button, you can check. The scenario B is now if you are a new user, you have to do your registration in the IT category. Okay, so in the TCS Next Step portal you have to do your registration in IT category, then you have to fill your details and you have to submit your application form by clicking on apply for drive. So if you are just fulfilling the criteria, the eligibility criteria, then only the apply for drive will come, otherwise it will not come. Then third step is select your mode of exam. If you choose in center or remote, then you can click on apply. So to confirm your status, you have to check your track of your application process. The status should reflect as applied for drive obviously, and the test provider will be TCS and website of its own website of TCS is the test provider for TCS Ninja heading process. So the test pattern will be like this: 3 section, numerical ability 40 minutes, verbal ability 30 minutes, reasoning ability 50 minutes, 120 minutes all total as a cognitive skills. And for the part B, programming skills, 2 part is there. Programming logic is 15 minutes, hands-on coding is 45 minutes, so total 60 minutes will be acquired for programming. Test duration total will be 120 plus 60 is 180 minutes. So I think now it's clear to you. Some important frequently asked question, that if you must have all the original academic documents readily available, then only you can apply, like mark sheets and degree certificates. Communication related to the test will be communicated to you by TCS, and test mode once selected at the time of apply for drive cannot be changed later. TCS does not send job offers or any hiring related communication from unofficial email. Okay, so if they are asking if some fraud message you will get, then don't go for that. Okay, so TCS does not ask candidates to deposit any money for the job offers. TCS is not associated with any external agency. So you can take a screenshot of this help desk number for any assistance. You can reach out to the TCS help desk. Email ID is ilp.support@tcs.com. Please take a screenshot of it, and the toll free number you can call it is 1800209311. So all these things I had to discuss. Now I will show you the registration steps. Just click on apply link, so it will be redirecting to the TCS career page. There you have to register for TCS Ninja hiring. Okay, so registration open is written here, you can check. Registration end date is 15th of August, and you can once again go through the details, because it's important to go through the criteria before applying for the process. Okay, just click on registration open, then the next step portal will be open to you. So you need to do your registration in TCS Next Step portal. So I have already prepared that how to do the registration in TCS Next Step portal, as well as how to do the apply for drive steps. So I will share that video in my description box. Please check it out, and I think it will solve your doubts. And if you faced any challenge at any point, you can comment your doubt in my comment section, and you can also directly send me message in my Instagram profile, that is Job Updates by Verma. You can follow me there, as well as we have a Twitter account, Job Updates by Verma. You can also comment there, also post there your doubts by reading hashtag Job Updates by Verma. So these are the all things I need to discuss with you. So I will obviously share the link with you and the registration process videos so that it's easier for you. Please have a look and do your registration. So all the best guys, give the exam very carefully. All the best, you will be selected, hoping so. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care guys.